Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. You know what that means, it is Tip Tuesday. In today's Tip Tuesday video, I wanted to talk to you about something that you would have seen me do in some of my Friday glam session videos, which is putting on a primer before I do my eyeshadow. So that is what an eye primer is. An eye primer is what I call like the primer or the base for your eyelids. So just like we would do a primer on our face if we wanted long-lasting makeup, I also like to put a primer on the eyelids to help my eyeshadow last longer so it doesn't crease and it actually brings out the color of the eyeshadow. So that's what I've got here. So this is the Eleanor Dawn Makeup Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm just going to pop it on, and with the primer here, it looks a bit pale, but it's actually just a neutral tone. So what it's going to do is just neutralize your eyelids. And all you need to do is, yes, you can use your fingers if you want, I'll allow it, or you can use a brush, is just pop it all over your eyelids. Now when I pop it on, I like to pop it all over the eyelid where I'd be putting my eyeshadow, plus a little bit higher, not right up to the eyebrow, but just past that crease. So you really want to cover that whole eyelid area and make sure it's blended in, just like that. So if you do have a little bit of natural redness on your eyelids, that's going to neutralize it. And then you can go in again with your finger, or of course you can go in with a brush if you're using this on someone else, or even on yourself if that's your preference, and just go in and blend it all up and out. Now once you've put the eye primer on like this, you can then go in and just put on your favorite eyeshadow on top. And what that's going to do is really give something for the eyeshadow to stick to and also help it last long all day. So we're just going to go through and blend that in. So I've got my eye primer on, I've got my eyeshadow on, and I am good to go. My eyeshadow is going to last all day. Now with eye primer is one of those invisible items, kind of like a face primer, but is definitely one of my go-to essentials on myself and on my clients. So that was your Tip Tuesday. If you have any questions or you'd like to see any more makeup tips, let me know and I'll do them for you next week. Bye.